Oh, we back at this again.
I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I get.
God dang, chill. These niggas want. Hey, chill. We're at a public place. Alright, guys, we haven't been vlogging for a fat minute because some people.
And she don't want to vlog no more.
These two niggas being lazy. They being lazy, you know what I'm saying? I'm on a grind. I walk this grind. I tell them every day that we need to vlog. And
No, you don't.
yes, I do.
You barely even vlog it.
I've been wanting to vlog too, but this one.
No, they have to talk about it.
And look, you got a whole new phone. It's gonna look way better. So,
Okay, we gotta go to class.
oh shit, we do, y'all saying we're heading to third period. As they always say, we're heading to. Why do we always do this during third period? Why is it always during third period?
Cause this is when I see Stephanie.
Hey, I'm saying this is my boy Grayson right here. I'm saying this boy, my Grayson. You know this nigga with a 7th grader? 7-0.
Miss is coming.
I'm gonna look up at A Beach.
The bird is coming.
Follow my YouTube channel, Stop Your 210 BFM.
Oh yeah. Wait, no.
No, don't put it there. Alright.
I'm saying go get my boy. Go follow my boy Grayson on YouTube at. Wait, what was this? Sniper BFL.
Woo! Ignore that. That's stupid.
Hey guys, we back. I was debating on whether or not if I should put them all in the vlog, but they all want to be in the vlog, so put them in the vlog. I'm gonna turn the camera real quick because I'm gonna show you. No cussing. We're gonna get demonetized. Guys, I'm gonna show y'all the nature. Oh,
Stop.
never mind. Did Daimir leave?
Hey guys.
Wait, no, turn your face on the other side. You see? Oh no, turn it towards the light. That looks gorgeous. Spin that shit.
Hey.
Spin that shit.
I look so different in this phone.
You got a better phone now.
Oh my bad. I'm sorry.
She's been ruining all my shoes lately.
Oh, bro, that shit. Oh, you wanna see the video?
Oh, guys, I slapped Stephanie
Look.
so hard.
You're gonna see the video.
You never even sent it to me yesterday.
Oh, I forgot. I was playing Fortnite. Look. Y'all were just talking. Like,
I'll include it in the next clip. God, I'm really sweaty. Oh my god. All that text. Guys, I just stripped on that.
I'm getting some bands on Friday. You already know. You know those new fans accounts?
We're gonna get copyrighted.
No, we ain't.
We don't have enough viewers. Hey, they're being rude to me. They won't let me see the TV and I want to see it.
When your mom doesn't love you enough? So you gotta act
Let's
out.
use the back.
I think my other camera was like kind of better because it blurred out like the ugly parts of the face.
I mean, I guess.
Ready?
Hey, vlog.
Ready, guys?
So here, raining. But you know this.
Rolling it.
Yo, I might do this.
See my underwear.
Here you go.
I don't care.
Yeah, I see
Here
the
you
whole
go.
crackhead.
Oh, you need to get carried.
You're dumb. Oh! Guys, we running. I'm gonna go again. Not to jump this way. One foot right here. One foot right there.
You're still vlogging? Yeah. Nigga, she's vlogging.
My phone.
It's waterproof, my name.
That's waterproof.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, yes. It's like, I'm recording. Oh shit, you want to walk us to my brother's house? Huh? See if you can drop us off? My brother.
Oh my god.